A girl, a coffee, and the art of reading. I can think of no better sentence. After almost a month of being away in Rishikesh, on my way back home yesterday, I saw a newly opened cafe and I knew I just had to come. And what better way to spend the evening working on my thesis? I am pursuing a PhD in English literature, and these are some of the behind the scenes of how the writing and research process has been working out for me. Currently, I'm in the reading and researching phase of my thesis. So today was all about getting back to reading the very first book for my research, which is Fangirl by Rainbow Roll, which, by the way, was a struggle because of two reasons. One, I read it so long ago I had a hard time recalling the plot and characters. And two, I do not normally read this subgenre of young adult novels, so I'm still settling into it. And so it began. To set the mood, I played some instrumental music in the background, fully leaning into the academic girl aesthetic. It also helps mute the cafe noise and lets me actually focus. So win win. Good thing my iPad is basically my research sidekick, especially because I can highlight and take notes. Since a PhD research is a lengthy academic project, it is very natural to forget the important stuff. So I've been very particular about adding notes and comments, which I'll come back to later when I begin actual writing. As I'll read more books along the way, these notes will save me a lot of time. And some of them are very random creative ideas or arguments that I think of while reading. And I know they're going to be highly useful while I'm writing. As I was reading, I thought of getting some info and inspo from Pinterest because, well, I'm just a girl standing in front of an overwhelming yet exciting PhD thesis looking for aesthetically pleasing motivation. But it looks like Pinterest has not quite embraced my obscure PhD topic. Instead, I found a very interesting paper on a similar topic to mine, so I spent some time reading that. It's always a good idea to read other published theses to understand the flow and structure of your paper better. As a writer, my brain automatically registers the flow of writing, word choice, and the overall tone of the paper. So once I finished reading it, I had a lot more clarity on how I want my paper to look and sound like. I jotted down all the juicy points in my PhD document. Having this information on my doc will be a major help in putting across my ideas with clarity, as well as analyzing multiple perspectives. With a PhD thesis, everything is a rough draft at first, at least for me. So I did what any self-respecting researcher would do. Dumped chapter headlines, comments and questions I want to explore all in this document, which honestly makes it my very own academic playground, if you will. I know I can always find a thread to explore somewhere here, and that makes the literature geek in me very glad. Reading with a strong, good coffee are what almost perfect evenings are made of. As I move along my thesis, I would love to talk about my writing process more, which I'm eagerly looking forward to. If you are an academic or a writer yourself, I'd love to hear about your approach in the comments. What keeps you going? What have you learned along the way? Let me know. May your coffee and books never disappoint you. Until next time.